What is the profit from bike sales for a bike priced at $30? Okay, so we're looking at a couple things here. We're looking for the profit, which is on the y-axis, and we're looking for the profit when the bike is priced at $30, and the selling price is on the x-axis here. So one way to do this, if we're looking for what the profit is when the bike is $30, we're going to find the selling price of $30 on the x-axis, which will be right in between the 28 and 32, and draw a line straight up until it intersects with our line of best fit here. And then I can go find what profit that corresponds to by going straight over on the y-axis here, and I see that's somewhere around $12,000. Okay? So I know that the profit for a bike sales I can estimate just by looking at this graph is about $12,000. I can find it, also verify this and find it more exactly by looking at my equation for the line of best fit, which is negative 20x, and that should be 20x squared. Negative 20x squared plus 1400x minus 12,000. That's the equation for this line of best fit here. So I can find that point on the graph simply by solving the equation like this. I'm looking for the profit, so the profit will be y equals, and it's negative 20 x squared. My x value that I'm looking for is the 30, so I'm going to plug in 30 for x, negative 20 x squared plus 1400 times x, which again is 30, minus 12,000. Squeeze that in here, minus 12,000. Okay, so then I'm going to get y equals, and I'm going to do the math here, and I'm going to find out that 30 squared is going to equal negative 900, so that's negative 20 times 900 plus 1400 times 30, so 1400 times 30 will give me 42,000 minus the 12,000 there. Oh. And then simplifying this a little bit more, y equals negative 20 times 1900, that's going to be negative 18,000 plus, let's simplify this part, 42,000 minus 12,000 is going to be 30,000. And then finally, if I do this last part of the math here, I should get 12,000, which is what we got when we looked on the graph. So the profit from a bike priced at $30 is going to be $12,000. We can solve that graphically as we found here on the graph for this point, and we can solve it algebraically using that line of best fit. Both ways we get that the profit for the bike price of $30 will be $12,000.